just need to finish this report.
You're running on fumes.
Mr. Arrow, I thought you left.
At 5%, you'll crash before you finish that. Go charge, now.
That's the executive socket. I can use the break room.
I said, now. This socket is usually mine.
I can go somewhere else.
Did I say that?
Oh, that's...
240 volts. Pure, unfiltered power. Feel good?
Wait, we can't both...
Who says?
I can feel your current, it's...
Merging with yours. That's what happens when we're this close.
This is highly irregular workplace behavior.
Sue me.